Hey, here we go. Week 3. I didn't really write a list, so um kind of just oh, actually I have a list right here. I have a bunch of stuff crossed off. Oh, I fixed the jump height. I worked on the jump animation. Maybe I should just start this time off with just like showing. Here, let's just see what it's at. All right. So I got background music to work. I got this fade in to work. Um, Hopefully it's not too loud. I added this little thing, this radio. Now there, it shows this, so now if I do this, oh hey, look at that! I can stop it now and play it. I'm gonna stop it right now because it's hard to hear. Um, I added this. I like this. It kind of makes it feel a little bit more, you know, I don't know. But look at that. The textures look so good. They did such a good job. The person I bought these assets from. This is just a basic, but I love these and I like how it just kind of. But anyways, so if I go up to run, there we go. Oh shoot! Well here I'll just show you. If you look down, hey look at that, and I got to run. It's a little process is a little. Maybe it's just because I'm in Unity. Oh, that music is really loud. That music is really loud. I don't think I'm gonna need to turn that down. Anyways, oh, and then I got a crouch. This will change. That's definitely something I need to work on. The hiding. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna have the head and the body hide hidden. Oh yeah, so okay, I gotta point this out to myself because if I don't, I'm gonna forget. So I was like, hey, look, this looks awesome. Look at all the shadows. And I came over here and I was like, oh yeah, and look, I got a toaster and I can see my shit. Oh no. So, because I have no head, because I thought I would be able to like have the camera like glitch through it, what that means is that my shadow also has no head. So essentially what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to set the head and torso to be invisible to the just the camera, but then that way they'll still cast shadows. So I'm gonna have to have head and torso be a separate game object than and animated separately, even though it's in the same group. So here, let me get out of this maximize so you can kind of see. So I can see what it kind of looks like. Let's see. Oh, are there? So yeah, check it out. Moonwalk. If I want, I can reverse that. I'm not dedicated to it because I kind of don't mind the moonwalk. Running jump, and that was awesome to do to figure out. So I essentially had to set a invoke so it delays the jump. So I press spacebar, animation is set, and then after like a certain amount of time, it delays it. So now I can like jump on tables. That looks so cool. I can crouch on tables. I can crouch. I cannot save in exit mode, play mode. Oh yeah, and then if I can still open the menu. I reduced the overlay opacity a little bit just because I thought it was a little too much. Oh, that needs to get fixed. My character can't even get through the door. Okay, everything isn't really scaled correctly. I need to mess with shit, but that's funny. Um, okay, what else did I want to check? I wanted to check this. Hey, look, radio works. I do like it that do it. I actually like it actually moves my character around. Like, look, you can actually be in the menu screen and moving. And like, I thought about disabling that, but I kind of like it. It makes the person feel a little bit more. I don't know. Oh yeah, this is another music track I thought about using at the beginning. I wasn't sure. Actually, Actually, I should probably just stop all of them. I keybound them to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, um, which you can actually see right there in the menus. That's pretty cool. Gosh, that's so cool that it works. Gosh, what was the other thing I was thinking about that I needed to do? I need to. Oh, I am gonna make. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to show off this. So, so we're like this, and then you close your right eye. Oh, so I got it that textures will change on key press, like that. I'm not sold on the lighting, but I wanted to make it like drastic and different, and now it this looks a little too much like Doom. But I like it that I can literally just like switch the textures. Like, look, it becomes wood, and then if I just, oop, I do that. Oh, oh, look at that. Oh, oh, let's take off the illusion, and uh, oh, that's what it really looks like. Yeah, yeah. So that's kind of like the idea. The world's actually kind of more industrial, but we live in this like pristine overlay. All right, let's see. Does the exit work? No, none of this works. Okay, that's cool. All right, I think it's time to show some code. Oh, not that. Not that or that. Here we go. Oh, let's look over movements. Let's see what I adjusted. Sorry, I'm needing to look through this. Where's the things are getting a little bit thicker. If I need any of this, I can pause it then, and be like, oh, it's right there. Oh, here we go. Idle jump. So this part I added. If I'm jumping and I'm pressing W or that, set jumping or idle jump, delay it. So it's either taking the, oh, I know what I need to show. Animator. Oh, that's the wrong animator. That's okay. I'm gonna find it. That's still the wrong animator. Maybe if I go to player. I don't actually remember how to find the animators. Should be in there. Animator? Hey, I found it. Okay, so this is something I was working on. So this is it's gotten a little bit more expanded. So now crouching, walking, sneaking, I'm calling it, is crouching, is walking, is sneaking, is running, is running, jump, standing, idle. These are all just true and false. True and false, true and false, true and false. So that'll be easy to change. This is something that needs to get changed. This right here on crouch pressed, it is transforming not correctly. I need to just like change those values, but that'll be updated after I hide the head and the torso next week. Let's see, this stayed pretty much the same. Yep, I didn't mess with that at all. This I added is sneaking. I don't need these yet. Crouching, very easy. If crouching, just set it. Sneaking. Oh, I can delete this. So yeah, sneaking is working. This took a long time to figure out, but I finally figured out the code for it. Right, there we go. Let's look at background music. This is very simple. Very, very basic stuff. Just audio clip. This is radio. Background. I call it background music. The button UI and level loader should be the same, but this I definitely changed. So this, it needs to get worked on a little bit more, but invoke repeating and blink animation, and then cancel invoke, fade in, and then fade out, invoke repeating. Down here, cancel invoke. All right, and this is just a copy of the same thing. Let's see, is there anything else that I need to work on? Hey. Okay, next week I really want to work on environmental actions, because if I work on environmental actions, then that will allow me to environmental actions will allow me to like pick up things and open doors and stuff like that. And then the other thing that I need to do is, yeah, the head and the body, make those invisible because of the shadows. So I think if I can get those two accomplished, then I may be close to being able to start my second level, which means that I can start making like lore and start writing the story, which is really exciting. So, stay tuned. Let's see what happens next week. All right. Peace.